स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आप सभी कैसे हो? टुडे फॉरवर्डिंग आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, क्रिस्टल लैटिस एंड यूनिट सेल. Here we will discuss about what is the crystal lattice and what is the unit cell and their definition. Students, here you will see figure 1.5. That entire figure is known as crystal lattice. But students, a smallest portion of this entire figure, smallest portion of this entire figure or crystal lattice is known as unit cell. I hope you're clear what is crystal lattice and what is unit cell. That entire figure is known as a crystal lattice, but their smallest portion of the entire crystal lattice is known as unit cell. Next, students, we will tell about what is the definition of crystal lattice. What is the definition of crystal lattice? Here you will see definition of the unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest portion. Unit cell is the smallest portion of the crystal lattice. Of the crystal lattice. Crystal lattice. Students, that entire figure is known as crystal lattice. And that small portion or smallest part of this entire crystal lattice is the unit cell, discussed in this definition in your text book. Students, next, unit cell is the smallest portion of the crystal lattice, which when repeated means that smallest portion, which is known as a unit cell, is repeated more times in whole crystal lattice and form or generates the entire lattice. Or you can say, in other words, smallest portion of the in crystal lattice, which when repeated means यूनिट सेल, जिसको हम क्रिस्टल लैटिस का स्मॉलेस्ट पोर्शन बोलते हैं। यूनिट सेल हम किसको बोलते हैं? क्रिस्टल लैटिस के स्मॉलेस्ट पोर्शन को हम यूनिट सेल बोलते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, यही यूनिट सेल डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में रिपीट होकर के, दैट यूनिट सेल रिपीटेड इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन। डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन की मीनिंग है 3D स्पेस, इन 3D स्पेस, इन 3D स्पेस। Generates means form the entire lattice. Entire lattice means crystal lattice. I hope you are clear what is the crystal lattice and what is the unit cell. Next, I repeat the definition of unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest portion. Unit cell is the smallest portion which when repeated in different directions, and generates entire lattice, or you can say crystal lattice. I hope you're clear that this entire lattice is known as crystal lattice, which form with the help of unit cell repeated in different directions. That's all today. Thank you for watching and listening.